Then he come on, you know what I mean? All right, today I'm checking out the White Stripes. I'm listening to Astro, Screwdriver, and Rag and Bone. Let's get into it.
Just what does the Astro? Just what does the Astro? Just what does the Astro? Hey! Wake up and come with me now. Going to the morning, Lord. Walking down 33. Walking down 30 hours. We're just picking up the trash. Been doing it for a long time. Oh, you know what it's like.
That's a bluesy right there.
What am I supposed to think? Drop a nickel in a sink. Love people like a brother now. Am I gonna be their mother now? What if someone walks up to me and like an uppercut right through me? Not just gonna stand there grinning. I'm not the one who said it's good try.
Big transition might be coming. You know, the spidey senses are tingling a little bit. But that part where I was talking, it seemed like it seemed like he just slid into a little blues thing. Now we're back to our jam session. That's what this feels like. I don't know if we're still on the Astro song or not. I got no clue. Like, it's kind of this is like a medley. It's like kind of hard, and he's just rolling into the next song. If there's even been a next song. So far, no song changes really detected for me, even though like the music does sound different. So I'm sure we're probably at least on Screwdriver by this point. At least on Screwdriver, I'd imagine. Can't tell. It feels like one long jam sesh though, and he's just playing with different styles of guitar and whatnot. The different styles of guitar are probably different songs. See, I knew a big transition was coming.
feeling going now. I got a little feeling going now. I got a little feeling going now. I got a little feeling going now. Got a little feeling going now. Got a little feeling going. Got a little feeling going now. Got a little feeling going, yeah. Got a little feeling going, Nick. Yeah, you got a feeling going, oh. Nick's got a feeling going now. She got a little feeling going now. Got a little feeling going now. Got a little feeling going, yeah. Got a little feeling going, yeah. Got a little feeling going. Hey, hey, Jimmy. Hey, when you walk down the street now, looking like somebody's ghost, yeah. Think about $100 bill, coming up a lot, hoping my feeling to you. Said my mama's going, yeah, yeah, yeah.
That was interesting. I could not detect where one song would start and one song would stop. It felt like more than 3 different distinct styles in that song, but allegedly this is a little 3-song medley. But it's like he just, oh, I'm a jam on the keyboard real quick. Then he's on to something else and doing this. He's all over the place. This felt like an artist just doing literally whatever they felt like. I'm going to take a few of my songs and I'm going to play them. I'm going to blend them all together. And that's what I feel like doing today because I'm an artist. Like a big jam sesh. The lyrics were few and far between. It was mostly instrumental and then he'd come on. You know what I mean? Then you have a little bit of lyrics. It was not like enough lyrics where you could really follow along, you know what I mean? Mostly massive instrumental jam sesh.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.